Today we're going to talk about why your center burner isn't fully lighting up on your Weber Q. This is a really common fault that happens to a lot of people that have the plus burner on the Weber Q. You'll light the barbecue up and notice that only half the burner tube lights up with the flame and then the other half stays turned off. It's a really simple fix, and today we're going to dive into how to eliminate that problem. All right, as you can see, my barbecue is really dirty. It's due for a clean. So I'll start this up and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so we'll just turn the other burner off. And as you can see, only half that center burner is lighting up. You'll notice this after you've done a few really greasy cooks where a lot of stuff drops through and falls onto that burner. Now, if you look closely, you can see one of those holes is blocked up. It's actually pretty obvious to see here because it's greasy, but sometimes that can be really difficult to see when you've got your grill grate sitting on top of it. So there is a really quick fix for this. If you're about to cook your steaks and you don't want to do a full thorough clean out, you can get yourself a wire brush and just scrape across there. And look at that, the whole barbecue just lit back up. Now that's the easiest thing you can do just before a cook. I normally just get some heat-proof gloves and lift off the grill grate just so you can get access to put your steel brush in the side to scrape it. If that doesn't fix it, then the other thing you can do is remove the burner tube, which I'll show you how to do now. So what you want to do is get yourselves a flathead screwdriver, pop it on here, and just undo this screw that's holding the burner tube in. Make sure you don't lose this. And then you also need to just undo this little Phillips head cover. Pull this off. So then what you want to do is give this a slight twist, lift it up slightly, and then you just pull this out like that. And then the whole burner tube comes out like this. All right, so to clean this, the first thing I'm going to do is just scrape it all down, just to get any of that hard caked on residue off. And just keep in mind you want to go across the burner like so. You don't want to go sideways because that can actually force the rubbish back into the holes. And then what you can do is actually run this under soapy water, give it a good scrub, and wash the inside of it out as well if it's really blocked up, but this is not that old, so I don't need to do it. I have got other videos where I've removed all of this and given it a proper thorough clean out, so feel free to watch those. But for today's video, I just wanted to show you the fast way to give this a scrape just to get your burner working for your cook if you're in a hurry. So we'll just reinstall this now. So just slide it onto that gas jet and then just flip it back down and then pop the bolt in. And then don't forget to put this cover back on here. All right, let's test it out. And there we go, we've got a fully lit burner tube. If you guys are chasing these wire brushes, I've got them in the link below. They're not only handy for scraping these burner tubes, but they're also handy to scrape the whole grill down on the barbecue. So feel free to check them out. If this video helped you out at all, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as I'm releasing heaps of content like this to help you guys with your cooks. Thanks for watching and happy grilling.